So FBIC it's the Fordham Bronx Integration Club, and what we do is get Fordham students involved with like doing things around the Bronx, getting to know the Bronx more and the history of the Bronx more, and we also go to like local businesses and like restaurants and things like that, and try to get like
just like be more so Fordham students like aren't really aware of like the phrase we have is the rich capital of the Bronx, and that's like really like how to describe it. And so we're just basically trying to take people from Fordham and like help them understand and help ourselves understand how much like the Bronx has to offer, because I feel like there's like Fordham and like just like students don't usually take advantage of the resources that the Bronx has.
I feel like we always go to Manhattan to do things when there's actually a lot to do in the Bronx, and it's just like right around campus.
It's also like getting around the Bronx, so we're planning on going to a restaurant, and since this is also like very new for us, we're not used to going around the Bronx and like seeing what it has to offer. It's hard. We had to walk here, like we had to walk 20 minutes, which is fine. That was a great walk, but we don't know how to use the bus system, or not familiar with the subway stops. So that's going to be a challenge, I guess, is just navigating the Bronx ourselves, because we're learning with everyone else that's in our club.
With the club.
We want to go, well, we're planning to go visit like the hip hop museum. We're just like getting more involved with local businesses around here.
There's a restaurant that we're planning on going to, the south of France.
And then there's another one, but I don't remember what the name is. We're going to like planning trips just to the hip hop museum, some restaurants, and just like moving forward.
I think it's
more club.
Be cool if we like there's a lot of Hispanic, like there's a really deep or like large amount of Hispanic or a large Hispanic population in the Bronx, and I think like utilizing like Hispanic food, and like there's like a lot of Puerto Ricans, and like Puerto Rican food, like that's not something that we get all the time, and like so I think it's really cool that we have all these cultures that like culture clusters that are in the Bronx, and layers and there's culture clusters all around New York, but I think it's really cool that we have like pizza and Italian food right next to Fordham, and
I think that there's a lot of ethnic enclaves. That's what they're called here.
Yeah.
Like there's like Little Yemen. Yeah. And I think we're planning to go there at some point, which will be super cool. I didn't even know that there was a Little Yemen in the Bronx.
Yeah.
Which is so awesome.
Yeah.